Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mary France, and as you can see, I am filming in my car today for the first time. So today is Sunday, we're going to church. My husband is driving, my daughter is next to me in the car seat, and I'm here with my seatbelt on. I'm just hiding it so I can film. Like, we moved, so like moving is a lot of work, and I've been trying to find time to film, and every time, by the time I get to it, I'm like, I'm so tired. So I didn't film last week, and in today's video I would like to give an update on my ear. So I ruptured my eardrum, as I talked about in my first video, and that was like the worst experience of my life ever. I'm gonna link the video in the description, so like you have to watch that first to see what I'm gonna talk about in my update. So yeah, like after that day when I ruptured my eardrum, I was in pain. It was the worst of my life. I thought I was gonna go deaf. Rush to the doctors, go to the emergency, at the doctor's office. And I got the ear drop to put it in my ear for 5 days. And before that, like, my ear was muffled for like a week. So the muffledness went away after like a week. And like putting the ear drop in so that I don't get an infection helped. So after 5 days, I had to stop. And also after stopping the ear drop, it helped my ear dry. So when my ear dried, because I'm not putting liquid, it's just like drying, it helped. My muffledness went away, the pain starting to go away, and just like starting to have clarity and starting to feel much better, after to make sure that I didn't get an infection. So that was that. So the pain was still there. The pain would come and go. Like, I had an earache and was like getting uncomfortable. And like, after maybe after like 3 weeks or a month, I thought that I was getting better. And I got so comfortable forgetting that I have ear problem, just because it wasn't obvious. It wasn't physically obvious. And like every time I shower, I wash my hair, like, the water will go in my ear. And I started to get a little bit more pain from that. And so like I had a little bit of ear drop left. So like I asked my husband to check my ears, like, yeah, your ear doesn't look good right now. So we continued to put the rest of the ear drop for like another like 5 days or so, or until it ran out. And I was much better from that. And all I did to clean my ear was I will use a wet wipes, like, to clean my ear, both ears, because I'm not trying to use a Q-tip ever again. So then it was time to go back to my doctors for a follow-up so they can see what happened to my ear. And I actually saw the same the same ENT doctor that I saw, and she was like, we can't see your eardrum, I think it's still bleeding. But I haven't seen blood in my ear come out. I haven't really had that much pain anymore. So, I tell them that, and they're like, well, it's probably just dried blood that just didn't come out by itself. So, and then they recommend that I just stay on the lookout, and they actually recommend that I get my ear cleaned out by a professional. So I say, yeah, I would like that. Give my ear a fresh new start over, having a professional clear out both my ears, so that it's just clean from there as I continue to use my wet wipes, because I'm terrified to use a Q-tip ever again. I can never say never, but just for now, no, I'm not gonna try the same mistake twice while it's still fresh in my memory. So the only thing that I have left is I'm waiting for the people that's gonna clear my ear at the doctor's office somewhere to call me and schedule an appointment. And that's the only last thing I have to do. Like, I wanted to wait until that time to give a video update, but I feel like it's taking so long and it's getting so old, and I just don't want to wait forever. so I'm not gonna put that part of me, you know, them clearing my ear in this video. So this will be the last video as far as my ear goes, unless something dramatic happens as far as cleaning my ears, and then I might make up a follow-up video for that. But that's it. So that's my update. I hope you loved it. It was short and sweet. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.